In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can change the language of your placeholder text in Adobe InDesign. So when you make a text frame, like this, if you then right-click here, you can choose to fill it with a placeholder text. And when you click here, as you can see, it's the standard lorem ipsum Latin text. But what you can also do, let me delete this one, when you right click and then you choose the fill with placeholder text while holding down your Control or Command key and then you right click here, as you can see here, you can choose the placeholder options. And for this one, standard it's Roman, but you can also choose Japanese, Arabic, Hebrew, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese. So let's just click Japanese. If you then say OK, now you have a Japanese placeholder text. So you can easily change the language of your placeholder text by just right-clicking and then right-clicking on the fill with placeholder text while holding down your Control or Command key, and then you get this placeholder option window. And that's how you can easily change the language of your placeholder text. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.